Shakas! Hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here to bang out another club card kit that I received from the Stamps of Life. This is from June of last year, 2020. It's called the Sunshine Collection. And as you see, it comes with the paper pad it normally comes with. 6x6, double-sided, good quality paper. Love the prints, the colors. As you can see, they all coordinate. Ooh, we got some of these gemmies. And so I've already did an unboxing of this. I will link the video here if you've missed it. But this is all the stuff I'm going to have to work with. So it seems like the last couple kits I went heavy on the birthday. So this one I am going to do heavy on the thank you because I'm still needing to get thank you cards out to my lovely pen pal friends here on YouTube. And so I'll be using this as an inspiration. You know, they always give you these cards for the inspiration. So I'll be using these and their website as well as some sketches I might have. I'll be back to show you everything I made with all the wonderful stuff in this kit. So I'm back with the cards that I made for this kit. I think I got about 13 cards maybe. But here they are. Thanks, Sunshine. Remember, I was focusing on thank you cards and birthday cards. Another thanks, Sunshine, and I just added some rhinestones here. Here I use my Nuvo drops. This one here, I just stamped the thank you, and this thank you actually is from Stamping Up. It's from the Blissful Blooms August 2018 pumpkin, whatever their pumpkin patch monthly subscription is. But all the papers are from the Stamps of Life. Here's another thanks, Sunshine. And then I did some Valentine ones. Love you, Sunshine. Here's another thank you with the seashells. And another thank you. I'll leave the unboxing for this club kit here so you can see it if you haven't. And see all the goodies that comes in the kit. Most of the stuff is all in the kit. Love you, Sunshine. Love you, Sunshine. Love you, Sunshine. Another and another. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So hope you guys enjoyed this me banging out some cards from my past monthly kits that I have not been able to work on. If you're new here again, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. For more videos like these, like and subscribe. You can find him here. And until my next video, shakas.